Hi, my name is Jessica on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. Alright, so now we're going to prepare the bananas to add to the dough. And so you're going to need a cup of bananas, and these are very ripe and pretty gross, so they're going to kind of just fall apart on you. But I like to mix them in the measuring cup so I don't have to dirty another bowl. I'm just going to add that in there. And one tip when you're doing this is when you start to mash them, you're going to add a little bit of lemon juice just to keep them kind of fresh, even though they're already pretty overripe. But I'm just going to add that in there. Oops. I'm going to make sure you get all your banana peel out of there. And I'm going to add another. Actually, I'm just going to see how that looks, and then we'll see if we need to add any more. Add in my lemon juice. And just like a little squirt is fine. So we're going to mash that up. It doesn't take much to mash them up since they're already pretty ripe. But you want to make sure you get them nice and mixed up. And we're going to check and see. Now that's not quite a cup, so I'm going to add half of this other banana and see how much that adds. And adding the bananas is, if you like a more banana flavor, then you might want to just put in 3 or 4 bananas. If you just kind of want it to be a little bit more subtle, you add less. So it's really trial and error with what you like the best. Okay, so that looks good. That's a cup.